Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Yahoo. We are unable to process your request at this time. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to clear the data and cookies of Yahoo Mail. For this we go to Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right. We click on Settings. Click on Privacy and Security from the left menu. Then we click Cookies and Other Site Data. We scroll down. Click on See All Cookies and Site Data. Here are the data and cookies saved by the sites. We write Yahoo in Search Cookies. In this part we need to delete everything related to Yahoo. There is no problem when we delete them. We just need to log into the account again. That's how we delete it. Data and cookies are deleted. Now we can log into Yahoo Mail. As you can see, I was able to log into the account without any problems. This was our first solution. If this solution didn't work, we'll move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to log into Yahoo Mail using VPN. If the error we have received is caused by the location or the internet, using a VPN will work. There are VPNs that you can download to your computer. However, I will use a VPN that can be added to Chrome as an extension. For this, we go to the Chrome Web Store. You can find the link of the VPN I will use in the description of the video. After typing ZenMate in the search section, we click Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. As you can see, VPN is added. From here, click on Extension and pin the extension. Then click on the extension. Here you can click Best Location or click here and choose any free location. Make sure it's outside of your country. After selecting, click on the logo here. In this way, the VPN will work. This is how you can log in to your account. And this was our second solution. I hope the second solution worked. Our third solution is to use Windows Mail app. If the error is caused by the Yahoo Mail site, using the Mail application will ensure that we do not get the error. The Windows Mail application is installed on your computer if you are using Windows 8 and higher versions. We write Mail in the search. Click on the first Mail app that pops up. Here are the mail accounts I have added before. Click on Settings to add Yahoo Mail. Click on Manage Accounts. Then we click on Add Account here. As you can see, there are many options to add emails. We choose Yahoo. We log into our account. After logging into our account, click on I accept. Click on Yes, and account added. Now we can access our emails from this app and write emails without entering the site. This was our third solution. If this solution also didn't work, we'll move on to the fourth and final solution. Our fourth solution is to enter Yahoo Mail from a different browser instead of Chrome. There are multiple browsers you can use. For example, you can download Firefox and use it. Or you can use Microsoft Edge, which is installed on Windows. In this way, you can log into your mail with a different browser. And that was our fourth and final solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.